breaker. Pull down the O tile. Tell me the sounds of this tile.
Ah, oh, ooh,
This is the word of. The word of uses the fourth sound of O. It doesn't follow the normal rules because it uses an F for the V sound. Now pull down the OU tile. Tell me the sounds of this tile.
ow, oh, ooh,
Build the word U. The word U uses the third sound of OU. Build the word your. The word your uses the second sound of OU. O. Build the word to. The word to uses the third sound of O. What sound does the O make in this word? Ooh. Build the word do. The word do also uses the third sound of O. Please pause the video now to spell the following words on your own. Unpause the video to come back and check. You, your, to, do, of. Now let's check your spelling. You, Y, vowel team, O-U. Your, Y, vowel team, O-U, R. To, T, vowel, O. Do, D, vowel, O. Of, vowel, O. F. Tell me the sounds of you.
you,
What sound is the U making in the word put? There are other words on the spelling list today that have the sound. The sound would be spelled with a U in these words. Now it's your turn to spell on your own. Please use the spelling tiles to spell the following words. Pause after each word to allow you time to spell. You, your, to, do, of, put, pull, bush, push, full. Now pause. Please pause the video here to check your work. The final part of this lesson is to either re-listen to the dictation of the spelling words or to have a parent read the spelling words to you as you write down using a paper and pencil. In order to truly master spelling of these words, you must be able to break them apart orally, use the spelling tiles, and finally be able to spell using a paper and pencil. Wishing you the best of luck.